It's Queer Girl Straight Skates.
And Fat Girl is Moxie.
AKA Rebel and
Shove.
And we're here today to talk to you about a very exciting special event that's happening for the first time this year.
And somewhere that's not Long Beach, California.
Yeah, it happens every year. But now it's happening somewhere else. It's
Suns Out,
Buns Out!
A body
Phoenix.
pause, roll out. We didn't practice this first.
It's
but anyways,
fine.
Can you tell we're excited?
Yes. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a YouTube channel all about roller skating. So if you want to learn about roller skating, or if you love roller skating like us, then you should hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so that you can get notified when I post, which is every week-ish. Stop it. And go to cheerstothequeers.com because it's a cool website. It's my shop. And
it's pretty awesome.
Yeah, and there's all sorts of cute accessories and roller skate accessories like
and
laces.
Subscribe to the emails.
Oh yeah, because Shove writes them and they're pretty great. Anyways, so what are we talking about today?
Suns Out, Buns Out, and it's in Phoenix, Arizona.
So what you're saying is the Suns Out, Buns Out, the extravaganza that's been happening for the last 4 years?
Yes.
For the last 4 years is not going to be in Long Beach, California?
It's going on the road for the first time. We've been talking about it for years. Every year we get on here. We were on here earlier and we're like, one day.
Someday we're going to do it. We'll go somewhere else with the Suns Out, Buns Out. And now we're actually doing it.
Yes. So Suns Out, Buns Out Phoenix is going to be on 11/11.
11/11.
And what's really awesome is thanks to the Zony Girls insert clip or tag somewhere logo over here in the YouTube verse. They are two sisters, POC and queer, that host these amazing parties, like underground roller skate parties.
Obsessed with them.
They also do rentals, skate rentals. They're really cute. They're in their branding color. They say Zony Girls.
Obsessed.
When that's what's awesome is that not only are they hosting the after party, which is going to be at Warehouse, and it's lingerie and loungerie themed.
Thank you so much, lingerie.
Right. But they're also going to be doing $10 rentals, skate rentals at the rollout, which never happens.
Never happens.
If you don't own skates, but you're like, I still like to skate, you can rent them and skate with us.
Yeah, so everyone should come. All wheels welcome. Suns Out, Buns Out is a body posy rollout. If you don't know what the Suns Out, Buns Out is, Shove created it, and she originated a place where it was all about just like accepting and welcoming your body as it is.
Yes, all sizes, all genders, all everything. Families come out, all ages, young and old. And it's really just a place to like step out your comfort zone because you know it's a safe place and there's safety in numbers. So it is swimsuit themed, swimwear, costumes. People show up in all kinds of fun things, whatever's comfortable to you. We will still be by a body of water, yes, even though we are in Arizona. Yes. We are going to go to Tempe.
By the water.
Yes, so it is called...
Is it Tempe or is it Tempe? Is Tempeh the one that's the like the vegan version of sausage?
Oh yeah,
like
Tempe.
Bacon?
I think it's Tempe.
Tempe. It's in Arizona.
It's at the Tempe Town Lake or Tempe Town
We don't know, honestly.
Correct us in the comments,
let
please.
us know.
We don't know
how to pronounce
We're out here in California. Yeah. And then not only that, but the next day on 11/12, what are you going to be hosting?
We are hosting a Wake and Skate skate park meetup. And that is going to be at Rio Vista Skate Park. It is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. And it's the morning after party.
And there will be a hangover station.
Hangover station.
Hosted by Zony Girls again.
Giveaway prize for existing raffle. That's what it's called.
So
prize for existing, aka raffle.
Show up, get a raffle ticket.
Hang out.
Skate
with us.
And then maybe win something.
Yeah, so basically it is the trifecta. And it is catered to all different types of skating. If you are a park skater, you got the Wake and Skate meetup. If you are a trail skater, you got the Suns Out, Buns Out, which everyone should just come to the Suns Out, Buns Out anyways. It's the main event. But then also, if you are like a rink skater, or a dance skater, jam skater, the Zony Girls after party is going to be where it's at. So whatever
it's
type
a triple
of skating,
header.
It's a triple header. It's going to be amazing. We're so excited. We're traveling out exactly for this.
Skate. Another skate. Another skate.
No sleep. Plane. Skate. Just kidding. We're driving.
We will be driving for over 6 hours.
Yeah, it's going to be great. We're so excited. We can't wait to hang out with you. So you should come out and bring your friends and just have a good time with us. We're so excited. Also, there's going to be Suns Out, Buns Out shirts, but not this design because this is a Suns Out, Buns Out Long Beach design. So Shove is working on a Suns Out, Buns Out design so you can get shirts there and potentially tote bags.
Shovel's been up to a lot in life.
A lot.
And I know you haven't seen us, mostly her because I'm usually behind the camera, on YouTube too often. I just want you to know that life be lifing.
Life be lifing.
And we're doing the best we can. And we would like to say thank you to all the new subscribers. Yeah. Because there's so many more of you since a little short
Andy's coming. Which, by the way, Andy is from Toy Story. Yeah.
But welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates.
Yeah,
we are engaged and we're a little loony and we love skating and teaching people and bringing skate reviews to you. So if you're out there in the skaterverse and you're like, I create something, I wish Queer Girl Straight Skates would do a review, email us, let us know.
Yeah, hell yeah.
We have big things coming and we can't wait to share with you.
Yeah, we got a full calendar for November. I'm very excited about all the videos we're bringing to you in November.
Exactly. We still have a skate review to do and all kinds of jazz.
Yeah,
but
I'll give you a hint. It rhymes with schmont schmar.
And another thing that's really cool is you're going to see another video that's way more interesting than this one about the rollout. And that will be the recap. So stay tuned for that so you can really get to experience what the rollout was like.
Yeah.
Well, we hope to see you there.
Yeah, and if you aren't subscribed yet, get subscribed. And if you are anywhere near Phoenix, get your booties out there. Ready for the sun, because I guess the sun lives in Phoenix in November.
Suns out, buns out.
And with that, we're out.
Cheers to the queen!